Virtual wholesaling, closing the deal over the phone. You know what? That's the best way to do business. What do I mean? Instead of driving all over town, talking to unmotivated sellers, sitting in traffic, begging them to give you their home, the strategy that I'm going to show you today allows you to get the deal all over the phone. I started using this strategy when I started in real estate, which was 2006, fourth quarter, when I saw the real estate about to crash, and less than a few months later, it did start tumbling down. Now, this strategy requires creating systems that allow me to filter out non-motivated sellers from motivated sellers, and allows me to put my time and energy to give offers to only motivated sellers to get the deal. Now, what type of deal am I talking about? I'm not talking about deals where there's a bunch of investors bidding and jacking up the price like an auction. I'm not talking about deals like the MLS where there's retail buyers and investors all bidding and jacking the price. I'm talking about deals that are highly motivated, and guess what? There's hardly any other investor out there because it's not a normal traditional pawn like the foreclosure or REOs or HUDs or etc. Now, why do I love to get the deals over the phone? Because it saves me a lot of time and energy, but more importantly, it gives me freedom. That's right. Instead of driving, I can be on vacation. Instead of driving and meeting sellers, I can hang out with my kids. Instead of doing all the madness of getting a deal, I can do what I love and only talk to motivated sellers. Now, I just created a brand new course called my Virtual Wholesaling, Getting the Deal Over the Phone. It's a full day seminar and it's pre-recorded, so it knocks the price down very affordable, and you can get it right now at myrealestatedojo.com. myrealestatedojo.com. Again, it's a full day course and it teaches you what to say, how to say it, when to say it, what questions to ask. Teaches you the psychological aspect of getting the deal, but more importantly, allows you to be your dreams with freedom. Don't spend all your time going to REI clubs and reading blogs and reading forums and going from one YouTube channel to another YouTube channel. Take the shortcut, take the elevator, take the stairs that I've created that allows you to download my brain, download my systems in a full day course, all day course, right now for a special price that's never going to be offered at this price ever again at My Real Estate Dojo, guys. Why should you jump on this offer? Because it allows you to do deals all over the nation. Instead of just focusing on your local market, you can now do deals all over the nation. At the same time, it allows you to do deals locally without driving to these homes. Imagine if you could talk to 25 motivated sellers versus just driving to 2 motivated sellers' house or 3 because they live in other part of town. So this new product, all-day training course that I'm providing you guys is how to get the deal over the phone. Plus, it's going to increase your ability to get more deals because you're not spending a lot of time and energy doing all the other stuff that's required to get the deal. And if you want to open your horizons to other markets outside your zip code, outside of your state, then this is the skills you need, because I teach you in this training course. You get to listen to live calls to sellers where we're making offers to buy their homes at a deep discount or to get it with seller financing where the seller becomes our bank. Again, you're getting to listen in to live calls. Imagine being able to practice before you're able to give your offer to a motivated seller. Imagine being able to role play. That's what this is exactly are. And on top of that, not do you get to listen to us talk to sellers and give offers, you also get to hear the role play that we do. And at the same time, you get to hear live calls. That's very, very crucial because it helps you learn what to say and what not to say. At the same time, there's one-on-one coaching going on, so you could even get the coaching on top of it. This is my virtual wholesaling for a limited time. For the first 19 people that download the product, I'm also going to throw in my Ninja phone script that I sell for $500 totally for free. So again, for the first 19 people that download the product, the virtual wholesaling, I'm going to throw in the Ninja phone script totally for free. So don't wait around. Go to myrealestatedojo.com or go to mrnofluff.com. And when you get there, click on shop or just scroll down, and there is the newest product that just we created. It's one of my best courses, guys. Okay, it's going to be a bestseller. Don't wait around. There's only 4 days before the sale is over, and the price is going to go back up. Thanks for watching. Click the like button. Much love.